Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to a brand new series. In this series, I will be showing you how to use Java and the syntax and good programming practice. Before we could program in Java, we need an IDE. An IDE does three things in one software, which is allows the user to type code, it allows the user to compile their code, and allows the user to run their program. The IDE we'll be using in this series is IntelliJ. Now, even though IntelliJ has been used by a lot of people, it has features that I feel like it's necessary to share. But we'll get to those in future Java tutorial videos. Now, let me explain Java. Like C++, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java used to be the most popular programming language until JavaScript took over. Two of my favorite games that I played when I was a little kid are Tank Hunter and Area Flat 3. For most programmers, they consider Java to be easier than C++, which I personally disagree, but if you ask any programmers which programming language they would love to use, they would say Java. The best part about Java is that it has a built-in GUI library, which I'll talk about it in the future Java tutorial. Java is considered to be very secure programming language because of the way it checks semantics and the syntax. Semantics is based off of whether the programming logic makes sense. Syntax is whether the format, the keywords, everything makes sense. Let me give you an analogy. So imagine you're writing a sentence and it has good grammar and everything, but somehow the logic doesn't make sense. Nothing in the sentence makes sense. That's semantics. Imagine you're writing a sentence that has a lot of grammar errors. That's syntax. The downside in Java is it uses the Java virtual machine. And the good part about it, it makes the code secure, it makes the program secure. However, it takes lots and lots of memory and lots of time to compile your code and run it. In other words, speed is more likely an issue in Java, but that's the only thing. And with computers nowadays, pretty sure they could run Java very, very quick. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you're on YouTube, BitChute, or Vlare. If you're on YouTube or BitChute, please subscribe. If you're on Vlare, please follow. If you're on Library, please follow and download. Thank you so much, and I look forward to making more Java tutorials. Bye.